Annyeonghaseyo, Leonim. So, here we are at Mactan. We're having dinner with my family. Ano barog mo? Tara. So, this is the food that I ordered. This is Shin Ramen, pork, and also the fish. Chicken, this is flavored chicken, and also shrimp. So this is the Filipino food. This is called Puslo Buwa. Manimugo, everyone. Manimugo. Leonim, kamsahamnida. Kamsahamnida.